If you prefer having beautiful yards in your home, make sure that you have the right lawn mower that will offer you the improved cutting quality. In this case, if you have a lawn, this means that your yard is essential. Due to this reason, you need to make sure that your grass is cut neatly. For it to be cut neatly, you should ensure that you use a lawn mower to get a better look. If you have a large yard, then it will be wise if you prefer buying an electric and driving model. In recent years, in the lawn mower industry, there are a lot of things that have changed in this industry. We have got various types that have great features that can suit your style. For example, once you get to the market, you will notice that we have got newer ride-on mower that can help you to have neat grass regardless of the size of your yard where you have planted your lawn. Therefore, choose a lawn mower that has the best features that will make your work easier. If you have been using one type of a mower on trimming your grass, then it's time to shift to another brand if you want to have a different style on your turf. In other words, different types of mowers offer different styles to your lawn. Another main benefit you will get after you have bought a lawn mower is that it can help you to cut down the whole lawn in your garden or yard within the shortest time possible. Therefore, if you want to conduct your activity faster, this is the right tool you need to use. If you make up your mind and you are now going to buy a lawnmower, make sure that you know the right factors you should use once you arrive at the market. Without the proper elements or information, you are likely going to buy the wrong types of a lawnmower that will not satisfy your needs. If you are purchasing this tool for the first time, then by conducting your research, you will be at a suitable position of knowing the right type that will suit your needs. Once you find a quality brand that has the right features you need, here are the benefits you will end up receiving. Do you know the right tools and techniques you should use when you are trimming your lawn? If no, then you should read this post to the end to be enlightened with some of the tools you need to purchase if you want to have a beautiful lawn on your yard. Many people who have used different types of lawn mowers can tell you how easy it is to trim your grass within the shortest time possible. We have various types of lawn mowers that can help you to have the best lawn depending on your needs. Now that spring is here, you may be curious as to what your lawn needs to be healthy, strong, and vibrant. One of the most basic tasks that your property requires is mowing your lawn. If you haven't mastered the basics of mowing, don't be discouraged. It's never too late to learn about caring for a lawn in the proper manner. Thanks for watching. Until next time.